Hey guys, this is Paul from Hifimax. We have some friends that never installed the Android screen to the car, and he wants to know how about the sound effect after installation. And this is my car, BMW F45, the NBT unit, and the Android screen I install. Here I connect the AUX cable to the armrest box here. And in fact, all other models like Audi Android screen, Mercedes Android screen, they also design the sound go through AUX. Okay, and today I want to introduce my car is just basic configuration. It's just only 4 speakers. And the head unit is a small Alpine head unit. I never upgrade the sound system. My car don't have optical amplifier. And I have connected the USB here and I put some songs inside. And today I want to show you what is the sound effects. But because I record this video by an iPhone, my iPhone is iPhone 12. So when you hear the music, when you watch the video, hear the music, you need to use an earphone to hear it. Also, the feeling is different because I record the video by an iPhone. So they will have a bit difference. Now, let's begin. Test music. Okay, the first one is like this.
1 I love, 2 she loves, 3 she's true to me. All of my friends fell out with me because I kept your company. But let them say whatever they will, I love my love with a free goodwill. 1 I love, 2 she loves, and 3 she's true to me. They tell me he's poor, they tell me he's young. I tell them all to hold their tongue. If they could part the sand from the sea, they never could part my love from me. 1 I love, 2 she loves, 3 she's true to me. When I'm awake, I find no rest until his head lies on my breast. When I'm asleep, I'm dreaming of my own, my dear, my one true love. 1 I love, 2 she loves, 3 she's true to me. When the fire to ice will run, and when the tide no longer turns, and when the rocks melt with the sun, my love for you will have just begun.
Okay, we go for the next song. This song.
Must be a million boys living in a great big city. I know that one of them is just right for me. I look up, down, 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 all around searching. I know he's out there somebody waiting for me. Somebody's searching, praying. Tell me what in the world. You know the street lights shine and passing faces.
Waste my time.
I'm just trying to catch somebody's eye. But all the should have been, the would have been, might have been, and the could have been, are slipping away. And they walk right on by. I know somewhere somebody's
for somebody.
Somewhere somebody waiting for me. Somewhere somebody searching, free. Tell me what in the world. I walk through the rain that's falling, a voice in the distance calling mine. I run through an empty doorway, waiting for the sun to shine.
Okay, we try this one. Okay, this free songs is FLIC format. That's better to listen to music. But I have to say, the feeling when I sit in the car is different when you hear the earphone in your side. Okay, thank you very much.